Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these 90s inspired marbled earrings with polymer clay. First, you'll begin by selecting 4 different colors of clay. I like to use white as my primary color for this project. Once I have all of my colors selected and rolled into a ball, I use my tissue blade to cut each color into smaller pieces. I like to cut my pieces fairly small to achieve a tighter marble of the colors. Today I'm using Sculpey clay in white and custom-made colors from a previous project, also made from the brand Sculpey. Feel free to use any color combination to make this project unique to your style. I like to reuse clay from other projects to avoid waste. That can mean sometimes my clay is imperfect, or I might have some slight variations. I appreciate those unique characteristics in my jewelry. To stay informed and notified of future tutorials, consider liking this video and subscribing to the Juniper Rey channel. Once you have your clay at your desired size, mix them together and be sure to separate any larger chunks. If your clay is too sticky, you can place it in the freezer for 5 minutes or so to make it more firm. I like to add a little bit of sparkle, and so you'll see me here adding 1 piece of silver metal foil. You could use other mediums as well, such as acrylic paint. If you would like to see me use any of the other mediums, please let me know in the comments. Once the pieces are mixed together, you can shape it into a log form. I'm able to reduce air bubbles by squeezing and compressing the log of clay. You can stop here, or twist and compress as I'm doing. Honestly, I just wing it half the time, and that's just the fun of playing with clay. Alrighty, so now that I have my log, I'm going to begin slicing it. I try to eyeball my slices to be about 1/4 of an inch thick. I lay them all next to each other on my work surface, and then I begin to roll. I carefully roll out the slab with my rolling pin, but you can use whatever you have in hand. A wine bottle also works with a step if you have one of those handy. If any of your pieces become detached, you can just place them back together. Once your pieces are smooth and joined together after using your rolling pin, you can then look to see what choice of cutters you want to use. So for this project, I'm using a mixture of cutters that I got from my local arts and crafts store, as well as some cutters from this shop on Etsy that is amazing. I will link them down below. I definitely think you should check them out. almost done. Now that we have our pieces all separated from our slab, we're gonna set our oven to approximately 375 degrees Fahrenheit. I like to cook my pieces for about 30 minutes. Please be mindful that all oven temperatures vary and your oven might not be the same as mine. Alright folks, and now here's the end. We let our pieces cool after the oven, we assemble them with our favorite jewelry hardware, and then we get to wear our jewelry around and show it off to our friends and family. What are you planning on doing with this tutorial? Do you want to make something for yourself? Are you looking to make some gifts for family members or friends? Or are you looking to add this to your own collection for your business? Let me know what your plan is below, and definitely drop some links so I can check out your work. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please like and subscribe to get more exclusive content. You can also check out my Etsy shop or my Instagram for exclusive giveaways and promotions.